بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم فرینڈز، ہسٹری آف پاکستان سیریز کے اس پارٹ میں ہم ویول پلان اور شملہ کانفرنس سے متعلق اہم کویسچنز کو ڈسکس کریں گے۔ ویڈیو اچھی لگے تو چینل کو سبسکرائب کیجئے گا، ویڈیو کو لائک کیجئے گا۔ آئیے ویڈیو کو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ When Lord Wavell come to India? Answer is March 1943. Who was Lord Wavell? Answer is a reputed military commander. Before coming to India, Wavell was, answer is Commander-in-Chief of the British forces. Lord Wavell offered a scheme for the settlement of the future political problems of India, which is known as, answer is Wavell Plan. Lord Wavell in his plan offered to set up a new, answer is Executive Council. In which year to Lord Wavell convened Conference of Indian political leaders in Shimla to discuss Wavell Plan? Answer is 24th June 1945. When Jinnah issued a statement on the Wavell proposals? Answer is 29th June 1943. When Gandhi Mohandas Karamchand left the politics? Answer is 1945. Last Muslim League meeting was held at Karachi in? Answer is 1943. When the Shimla conference began? Answer is 24th June 1945. In Shimla conference, who represented Muslim League? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Nazimuddin, Ghulam Hussain, Sir Muhammad Asad, and Hussain Imam. Who represented Congress in Shimla conference? Answer is Abdul Kalam Azad, Khizr Hayat, Dr. Khan Sahib. In first session of Shimla conference, who made a long explanatory speech filling in the details of plan of 14th June? Answer is Lord Wavell. In Shimla conference, which Muslim leader made it clear that League could not in any circumstances agree to a constitution on any basis other than Pakistan? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. When Shimla conference decided to adjourn so that Jinnah and Patel could not continue their exploratory talk, which had begun the day before? Answer is 27th June 1945. The Shimla conference met for the last time on? Answer is 14th July 1945. At the end of the conference, who demanded that general election should be held in the center to prove that who is sole representative of which community? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Viceroy Lord Wavell announced that general election should be held in the year of? Answer is 1945. Which Viceroy tenure is shortest in subcontinent? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Which Viceroy tenure is longest tenure in subcontinent? Answer is Lord Linlithgow. ویوز، اگر آپ کو میری اس ویڈیو سے فائدہ پہنچا تو میرے اس چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کیجئے گا، ویڈیو کو ضرور لائک کیجئے گا۔ بیسٹ آف لک فار یور ایگزامز۔ اللہ حافظ۔